Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this twist transition that you see on the screen. I made one in 16:9 aspect ratio. I figured I'd do it on a vertical. And I'm making a run at them right now. Made several 3D. As usual, start out with a cross dissolve. Right click on it. Convert to fusion cross dissolve. Then you'll see a fusion icon appear. Click it, it'll take you to fusion. I'll leave a free preset in the description below. Bring the media in 2 down below the media in 1. And delete the cross dissolve. Cut the line. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. Get an image plane. Plug the media in 1 into it. Get a 3D render. Plug it into the media out. Make sure it shows in the viewer. While the render is selected, go to render type, change it from software to hardware, and then select the image plane. Turn the subdivisions all the way up. Right click on the image plane. Copy. Click away right here. Right click and paste instance. Merge them together. If you don't know what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you're taking it off from. You can see it's connected with a little green line. If you look at the inspector, everything highlighted in green, even if it isn't highlighted, is still coupled to the original node. So if you change a value in one, it'll change it in both, unless you de-instance the value, basically decoupling them so they work independently. And we are going to do that a little bit here. Let's go to merge. Go to one viewer for now. Transform tab. Under translation, z-axis, put in minus 0.145. And then I'll make it fit perfectly in the screen. And select the image plane. Go to transform. Right click on the Y under rotation. Modify width. Anim curves. And go to modifier. Change the curve to easing and sine and sine. And when you scrub the playhead, you're going to see it's going to be doing all kinds of things. That's because they're both taking the same space and showing both the front and back at the same time. Select the instance, go to Tools, then Controls, Visibility, Uncall Face, right click on the front, and de-instance. Right click on the back and de-instance, and select the front, then go to the original image plane. Go to Controls, Visibility, and select Back. Now when you scrub the playhead, you shouldn't have any more of the weirdness going on. But if you take your playhead all the way to the end, put the media in 2, in viewer 1, you'll see the image is backwards. Select the media in 2, and get a transform. And then flip horizontal. Select the merge, shift space, and bender. With the bender selected, go to twist, leave it on Y. The amount is what gives the twist. Right click on amount, modify width, anim curves. And go to the modifier, go to the curve, easing, sine, and sine. And now if you scrub the playhead, it's rotating but not flipping around. Select mirror. Now it's going all the way around, but it's rotating too much. Set the scale to 0.5. And now you should have what I have. Let's rename these anim curves. Right click on it. Rename. On the twist amount, we're going to name that twist. Then go to the image plane. Right click on it. And rotation. Let's make a switch so we can make this go either direction. With the image plane selected, right click on scale, edit control, Name it rotation direction. And select user. In the default, put 180 because that's where we're at. On the range, go minus 180 to 180. Put the same thing in the allowed, both fields. Pick slider control. And OK. Now you should have a user tab up here with a slider so you can go either direction. Put that back on 180. And we'll go ahead and make the macro. You want to highlight these just like I do. From the top left down, make sure you are above the transform. Make sure you do not include any of the medias. Get all the top ones before you get the bottom ones. Like that. Start with this one here. Right click on any one of them. Macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. This is why we name these, so we can tell which anim curve is which, because it's very difficult, especially when the settings are the same. Put rotation in front of curve. And make sure you select rotation direction on the bottom. That's the switch we just put in. And twist. And put twist in front of curve. And go to File. Save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Transitions. This is where you're going to make a folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same, or Resolve won't recognize it. If it's a DRFX, it doesn't matter. Hit save. We'll go find it. And if you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. If you click on it, go to the inspector. So you have all your easing. And your switch for the 180. Here's a little tip for putting your transitions on. If you put your playhead right in the middle, two of your clips, double click your transition, and it'll go right there. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.